restaurant on Uhuru Highway. Okay.
It's on 40 in my right car.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So I'm at a restaurant on Uhuru Highway. Okay. So someone was laughing here, I had to stop. So I've already showed you the name of the restaurant, and I'm having a cocktail, a drink. I'll show it to you nicely. It's called Passion Kaipiroska. I hope I pronounced the name right. So we are about to have lunch. I'm just going to show you guys what we are having, the name of what we are having in just a minute. Food is here. I'm having a dorowat. It's spicy chicken, but it has this injera bread. That is what I'm having. And then I have a cocktail too. Is it too early to have a passion cocktail? I don't think so. It's around 4 p.m. so this is a late lunch. So let's eat. I'm just going to leave all the details on the description box. I hope you enjoy this video. Love you. Peace and light. Sorry guys, ilikuwa udaku. We are just doing a serious udaku over here. Gossiping, we are gossiping about life, good things, positive things, how we want to improve our lives, and the things that happen, especially on social media. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and click on that notification bell. Bye bye. Powerpuff Girls. That would be my superhero. Have you ever been on TV? Yes, I have been on 2 reality shows.